Welcome to Mostar Money Making Platform. Register with phone number and all required details, then click on Send to receive verification code to register, and it will be successfully done. Now here, click on Send for the verification code to set the trade password. Now after successful registration, you'll find the Recharge Withdrawal, Service, and VIP on the homepage. Now here you'll see the two main ways to make money. The first one is the stable and the other is the VIP package. For the stable package, all of the packages is valid for 35 days. The first package cost 100 sadies and the daily profit is 35 sadies. The second package costs 300 sadies and the daily profit is 108 sadies. The third package cost 1,000 Ghana sadies and the daily income is 370 sadies. The higher the package, the higher the daily profit. You can earn up to 27,000 Ghana sadies per day by what you can afford. Now the second way to earn is the VIP package. The first VIP one cost 50 sadies and the daily income is 5 sadies, which is valid for 99 days. The second VIP one cost 100 sadies and the daily income is 60 sadies. VIP 2 cost 300 sadies and the daily income is 186 sadies. The higher the VIP, the higher the profit, by what you can afford. Remember, VIP 1 and the higher VIPs can only last for 3 days. To activate any of the packages, select Recharge from the homepage. Enter recharge amount and select a channel, then click on Instant Recharge. Read the reminder and click on Continue to proceed. Here choose your network operator and enter your phone number you'll use for the recharge, then click on Confirm. Now make payment to the account details provided, then copy and paste the transaction ID here and confirm when done. I have already recharged 150 sadies, so I will buy one package from Stable and VIP. Now here, I'll tap on the package I want to buy and select the quantity. Now I will confirm it, then my purchase will be successful and it will be activated. I'll use the same process for VIP. I'll choose a VIP package, then proceed with the activation and my package will be unlocked successfully. Now my purchase is successful and I will be able to receive my daily income from the 2 packages I bought. That's great, right? Now I can make withdrawals since I have already earned 250 sadies. Here, I'll link my bank info by filling my Momo name and number and the network operator. When I'm done, I'll enter my trade password and click on Add Bank Card. It will be successfully done. Now here, I'll enter withdrawal amount and my trade password, then I confirm the withdrawal. Remember, the minimum withdrawal is 50 Ghana cedis and the withdrawal fee is 6%. Now I'm done withdrawing, so I'll wait for my withdrawal to reflect. Now let me show you another way to make money. Go to Team and copy your invitation code. Now you can earn commission by sharing link to friends to top up and join the team. You can earn up to 30% commission from level 1 and 5 and 1% commission from level 2 and 3 respectively. I have waited for some time, so I will check if my withdrawal has reflected. This is so cool. The amount has been paid successfully to my wallet. Don't miss the opportunity. Register now to get started.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.